Start by lying on your back with one knee bent and the sandbag held into the shoulder of the same side bent knee. From here, with the free arm off to the side, press into the floor as you begin to lift your torso up off the ground. Now, start the transition from a seated position to a half kneeling position by moving the straight leg back behind your body. Once you stabilize yourself, stand up tall with the weight still held on your shoulder and both feet flat on the ground, roughly hip-width apart. To get back to the floor, perform the reverse of how you got up. Start by performing a reverse lunge with the opposite leg of the arm holding the weight, drop to that knee, and stabilize yourself in the half kneeling position. Post up on the same side hand of the leg that went back, move the back leg in front of you, and control the drop getting back to the floor. Once on your butt, simply lie back down and repeat in this fashion for all reps on one side before switching to the other.